Welcome back to Metal Chopping Block. Cue the intro. Welcome back to Metal Chopping Block. On this episode, what's the matchup, Nicola?
So this week we're playing Wales. So for the Welsh dish, we're going to do a Welsh Rarebit burger. And for the Italian side, we're going to do a nice Caprese salad. The Welsh burger is a very heavy, cheesy dish. So we're going to do a nice light Italian dish to pair up with it. So
Sounds good.
let's get to drinking and to cooking.
Yes.
Sempre duro,
Sempre duro.
up the irons. So the original recipe is for 4 burgers. So all the amounts you see on this is going to be for 4 burgers. Obviously, we're only making 1 today, so they may not look or match up to what you see on the screen and what I'm doing, but this is for 4 burgers. We're making 1. So when you make them yourself, nobody makes 1 burger. You're obviously going to make them for a few people. So the original recipe that you're going to see all the titles are with are going to be for 4 to 6 burgers. First step on this Rarebit burger is we got melted butter on both sides of the white bread. We have the oven at 350. We're going to stick this in the middle rack for 4 to 6 minutes. Take it out, set it aside, and get started on this mixture. Let's get ready to rock. 4 to 6 minutes. So our next step is optional. We're going to go with some caramelized onions. So we're going to cut the onions up, caramelize them, put them aside, and they're going to go on the burger. Obviously, you can put whatever toppings you want on it. The only toppings we're going to use today is some caramelized onions. So we're going to start chopping this up, get her done, and we're ready to rock. We have to separate the egg yolks from the egg. So I'll put the egg whites in one bowl, the egg yolks in a separate, then we put it into the cheese mixture and we keep mixing, and then we put everything on the bread. Wish me luck. Rock the Rarebit. Smells pretty good so far. So we're gonna put this in, let it broil for a little while longer, take it out, cut it, and we're good to go. Oh, look at that. So now we're going to do the Italian side, and it's going to be an actual side this time. We're going to do the Caprese salad. We're making this side because the burger is going to be a little creamy and heavier, so we're going to do something a little lighter on our stomachs for this. So we're going to mince the garlic, cut the cherry tomatoes, and start mixing.
This basil smells so good.
Everything's chopped up and ready to go into the bowl. We're going to put it all together like a proper mosh pit, mix it all up, and getting ready to eat.
Wow, Nick, this looks fantastic. The rarebit looks amazing, and the salad looks just perfect. Wow, can't wait to get into this.
Beautiful colors. Again, the Italian flag like the margarita.
I see why you did that.
Yes,
You're so smart, Nick.
Well, you know, hey.
Put a lot of thought into this.
So this is interesting. It's an interesting burger. You can have this, the Welsh. So you can have this open-faced if you wanted to, but let's give it a go. Ready?
Yes, let's do it.
The Welsh Rarebit burger. If I'm saying this wrong, somebody let me know how to say it properly, but I think it's Rarebit.
Rarebit.
Okay. Cheers.
Cheers. Oh.
I gotta admit, it's better than I thought it was gonna be.
Now I get why they say you can put the rarebit on top.
Yeah, that was another option. So when you're making this, there's always extra the rarebits left over. And they said you can put it on top and add more. Because I wasn't sure how, oh man, that was really interesting taste. I never tried this burger before, so we just kind of put what they asked for. We didn't put anything extra. But obviously you can put a lot, oh my God.
Oh my God.
That has a, oh.
You can taste the malt.
Holy smokes.
Need to wash this down with some
Wales,
Guinness.
good job. This is a very interesting burger. Very good, right?
It's hot.
There's something to it, it's very interesting.
It's the beer, right? So
And we didn't put that much of the cheese on.
just the rarebit itself. That is tasty.
It's very good. Yeah, there's a bunch of stuff. Like I said, what we did with it, we made it for one. The recipe is for 4 to 6. So when you guys do it, obviously nobody ever has done one burger, make more, but that was great.
You're gonna see the titles for 4 to 6 servings, but obviously we cut that down to make one burger. So, wow,
Good job, Wales.
amazing.
Very good, very impressed. Cheers. Sempre duro. And now, I'm gonna save some of this for my wife because I know she's a burger fan and she's gonna like this. And now this beautiful Caprese salad. It's a very simple, good-looking salad. It's just, the colors are phenomenal. A little more?
No, it's perfect. Thank you.
I'm gonna eat right out of the bowl. Cheers.
Salute. Oh,
Beautiful, huh?
Nick, you have a knack of selecting the right dishes, not too filling, and you know how to pair your booze, that's for sure.
Well, obviously, we have to go with a nice dark beer because of the Guinness that's in the Welsh. If they ask for a stock or a stout beer, we use Guinness because I love Guinness. But it's very nice paired together because this is a bit heavier, especially if you put the extra cream and everything on it. And this really lightens it all up. Very nice. It's a nice way to finish your palate. Well, again, that was very good. They're both, you guys, great summer dishes. Especially this salad is great. That thing you can have all year round. This you can too, but this is a really refreshing summer salad. Sempre Doodle, my friend. Up the irons.
Don't forget to give us a subscribe, like, share, and all that stuff.
Dante, thanks for the music. Cheers, Sempre Doodle. It's friggin' awesome, and we'll see you on the next episode.
Till then. Nick, thank you so much, brother.
That was good, eh? That was surprising.
Oh, let's finish this off. Welcome back to Metal Chopping Block. On this episode, what's the matchup, Nicola? You weren't ready for that?
So the first step for the Rarebit burger is we got to get the oven to 350, which it just got to 350 now. Get the middle rack. Got to do this again. Okay. The first step to this recipe holy jeez, I can't say it. Okay, let's try this again. I'm gonna lose my fucking shit soon. So the first step on the Rarebit burger is we got to get the oven to 350. Holy shit.
I should have said that too.
I need some more vino. The first step of this Rarebit burger, we melted cheese. No, we didn't melt cheese, we melted butter. Cheese was for another recipe. I'm gonna get this at some fucking point. First step for this Rarebit burger is we melted butter on the white bread, and we got it on both sides. I'm fucking talking fast again. The first step for this Rarebit burger is we put melted butter on both sides of the white bread. The oven's at 350. We're going to put this in the middle rack. At 4 to 6 minutes, we take it out. I got it. I got it right.